I'm Dr. Daniel Gerscovich, joint replacement specialist at Carolina Orthopedic and Neurosurgical Associates. If knee pain is keeping you from the life you want to live, I want to tell you about something we do here at CONA called Fast Track Knee. Fast Track Knee is CONA's same-day muscle-sparing knee replacement program. 3 things make it different. We spare the quadriceps muscle and tendon, we use robotic guidance for a precise implant fit, and patients go home the same day. Traditional knee replacement cuts through the quadriceps muscle or tendon to get to the joint. That muscle is what we use to walk, stand, and climb upstairs. With the muscle-sparing approach, we work around the quadriceps. It's never cut. That means that there's less trauma, less pain after surgery, and a faster return to walking in normal activity. Simply put, your quadriceps is preserved, and that changes everything about your recovery. You don't have to leave the Upstate to get world-class joint replacement. Our surgeons are fellowship-trained and board-certified in joint replacement, the same credentials you'd find at any major academic center. Fast Track Knee at CONA means you get advanced technique and technology close to home, close to your family, and close to your support system. You don't have to live with knee pain. Too many people wait years, losing sleep, losing mobility, losing the things they love, because they think knee replacement is a bigger event than it needs to be. Fast Track Knee changed that. If knee pain is holding you back, come see us. Fast Track Knee at CONA. 3 Upstate locations, no referrals needed. Book online or call 864-583-CONA. Let's get you moving forward fast.